mango, melon, melon. So the orange one's mango.
Melon.
I think the pink one's strawberry.
Just great. 葡萄是 great.
Oh really?
Just great.
Oh.
Hello.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today I have a special guest, Daddy Lou. Do you want to say hello?
Hello.
And we're going to be taste testing different flavored Pocky that I picked up from Japan. So I think my siblings already got into this one, but this is the Dream Pocky. So it comes with 5 different flavors: chocolate, strawberry,
Strawberry,
grape, melon, and matcha. Let's taste those ones.
5 different flavors.
Yeah. Well, have you already tried the chocolate and the strawberry one?
Yes, I have.
Yeah. Well, let's just try it again.
Yeah, strawberry is quite nice.
Do you like strawberry? I don't like strawberry. I like chocolate.
So this one is chocolate. It's
Oh.
This one is broken.
They're so thick.
That one's like that.
Wait, is that
Is on the top.
the one?
It's like that. Where you can hold it.
Do you want the bigger piece?
Oh, you have to.
I already know what chocolate one tastes like.
Okay.
Cheers!
Cheers.
It's a lot more of the biscuit than it is.
Very crunchy.
Yeah. Well, we'll have the strawberry one next because we already had this one as well.
The chocolate is just nice.
Strawberry. You can have the biscuit this time.
Yep.
Ready? Cheers.
Yeah.
You don't really like any sweets, do you?
Okay. Pretty much like it.
That's good.
Not very sweet.
Yeah. Which one do you want to try next?
Maybe grape.
Grape?
Yeah.
Okay.
It has a strawberry flavor,
it's
but
really
not
strong.
very sweet.
Really? It's strong, but it's not that sweet. True. Ready?
No.
Which one do you want?
I get a short one.
Okay. Great. Cheers.
Cheers. Great. How does it taste?
It tastes pretty good. It tastes like lollies. Oh, it tastes just like the Haichi lollies.
It is.
In a biscuit form. I like it. It's good. Do you like it?
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Each one has a different flavor.
We
2 more to go.
No, we still have to try these ones as well.
Okay.
Which one do you want to try?
Mocha.
Matcha? Okay. So cute. The Japan packaging is always so nice.
So we are eating the whole pack now.
Well, we share one. No, we have to save the rest of them for Regina and Richardson.
Alright.
Well, Richardson because Regina can't even eat it.
Yep.
Because I don't think he's had it. Do you want that one?
It's green.
Green, matcha, your favorite color.
Green, yep. Very nice. A touch of a green tea flavor.
It is green tea flavor. Matcha.
Very nice.
It's not bitter, pretty good.
Very unique taste. Taste of Japan.
Yeah. So this is the last one from the Giant Pocky Dream. This one's the melon flavor. I wonder why it's melon and it's orange. But melon would be green. Maybe it's mango or something.
Could be orange or something.
But I Google translated it and it said it was melon.
Melon.
How strange, right?
Could be rock melon.
That's true. Biscuit or chocolate?
Biscuit.
He doesn't like things that are too sweet.
Yep.
Oh, it does smell like melon. Wow.
Yeah. The rock melon.
Yeah, rock melon.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Rock melon.
Do you like it?
Nice.
Yeah, it is good.
Unusual.
I like it.
We don't get this flavor all the time.
Yeah. They only have like the basic ones in Australia or in Melbourne. It's always just like chocolate and strawberry.
Yeah. How to get this flavor in Australia.
I also picked up these 2 different ones. So this one's coconut. So this one's coconut chocolate And this one's peach flavored Pocky. So I'm gonna don't have the peach one because it fell out already. My siblings opened it. Oh, my siblings keep getting into all my snacks.
So the peach one is white color.
Oh, it's so pretty. It's like white and pink. And the packaging is so nice. Damn. We'll open it, open it. Open it.
Open. So this one is not as long as the other one.
Yeah, this is miniature
tiny
version.
one.
Smells like white chocolate. Does it
Yeah,
smell
it
peach?
does,
Does it smell
yeah.
peach? Cheers!
Cheers.
The white chocolate on that is super thick. So thick.
White chocolate on the outside.
Does it taste like peach juice?
Very teeny.
A tiny bit?
Yeah, very tiny.
Yeah, it's like the aftertaste.
bit.
The aftertaste tastes like peach.
Yeah.
I think it's the
chocolate is
The
quite
stick.
dominant.
yeah, the stick is the peach flavor.
Mm.
And then there's like white chocolate around it, which is so strange.
But it's very nice.
Yeah, it is good. I like it. It tastes really nice. Wow. Very subtle flavoring there.
Very unusual.
So this is the last one. This is the chocolate coconut Pocky. And it's so cute. Let's open it. How do I open it?
I've been eating a lot of biscuit today.
Yeah, I know. I bought a cake from Japan and they ate it for breakfast. They left me a tiny bit. But Mum said she really liked it because it wasn't that sweet.
Yeah, the cake one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that was nice. Not very sweet.
Yeah, it's good.
Sponge cake.
Yeah, the last one, promise.
Wow, it looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coconut chocolate.
Yeah.
Ready?
Really.
It looks like the other one with the nuts in it.
Yeah.
It has like a really light coconut taste. It's pretty nice.
Coconuts on. Oh,
Yeah.
they've got coconut sprinkling around here.
Yeah, it's like coconut
Yeah.
shreds. Tastes like summer.
It is.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Which one was your
I
favorite?
like chocolate. I like coconut as well.
Which one was your favorite?
I think I like the melon best.
The rock melon? Yeah, that one was really good.
Very hard to find.
Yeah, that's true.
And they had a nice flavor as well.
Yeah. It was a really nice rock melon. It was like a lolly rock melon taste. It was really good.
Yeah.
I think my
Really
favorite one was the grape one.
The grape one is nice too. Yeah.
It tastes like lollies. Anyways, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Thanks for watching.
If you want to see more videos with my dad, let me know. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye. Bye bye. Still pictures. Yeah.
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 Thanks, Daddy.
No worries. Thank you.